Ladies and gentlemen, adventurers of all sizes and alignments, welcome to the Dungeon Pub, the place for all things related to role-playing games. Or at least we aim to make it so. We are a group of hardy friends who've been sharing great times in our D&D campaigns, and not long ago decided to branch out and, through our talents combined, bring this experience and many more to come to everyone who would like to be a patron of our fine establishment. Almost everyone in our group began the D&D adventure having no prior experience, but together we have learned some of the ways of the pen and paper RPG while creating countless hours of shameless fun for ourselves, so now we are ready to share with you our discoveries and creations. Our primary goals are to introduce new people to the world of adventuring while sharing our combined knowledge with the more savvy ones, all the while exchanging experience with everyone who already has or is still looking to discover the grand theater of the mind that are role-playing games. With our shows, podcasts, and live games, we will try to inspire, inform, and advise every aspect of your adventuring life using our personal stories and discoveries. For many nights to come, we will be discussing the basics of the systems out there, mostly 5th edition D&D, explore the depths of being a dungeon master, and trying to guide you through our way of creating, sharing, and just participating in the adventures. We will show you our philosophy of role-playing while exploring the effects that D&D can have on your everyday life. I will be your most humble bartender through all of that, so sit down, grab a drink, and let's have a grand old time together.
You must gather your party before venturing forth.